Namaste, I'm Krishna Mandela, your EV Bro. Right now, I'm in the office of Austhraa with the founding members, the MD, Mr. Raja Pradeep and Mr. Karthik. My first question to you, right now, there are so many electric cycles available in the market for 20,000 rupees. Now, your electric cycle starts with 50,000 rupees. Why is one customer need to go with an expensive electric cycle?
The electric cycle that we are offering from Astra is not a normal electric cycle. It is a very high premium hybrid electric cycle. Why we say hybrid premium electric cycle is because of the reasons, the kind of features that our electric cycle offer. One, the frame inbuilt detachable battery option that we actually offer, number one. Number two, the longest range electric cycle feature that we offer. Number three, the unique design feature that we offer. So these kind of unique selling proposition features that we offer actually have kept us in a top premium market, and that is the reason we cannot be compared with a normal electric cycle. The kind of value proposition that we are offering to the customers always show that the customers are actually getting the value for money, and even the 40,000 that we are actually offering gives us the immense number of potential benefits to the customer. So that is the reason we always justify that 40,000.
Currently in the electric cycle market, there is a misconception. Only sales, no service. As Astra, you are a new startup. How come somebody will believe this new startup?
Actually, after sales services completely depends on the knowledge on the product you are making. So, before 3 years back, what the companies in India used to do, they used to get the part from China and they used to sell here. So you're getting some unknown product. So on what basis you can repair the product? So ultimately, the company side, so the people in the company, they can't repair the product, right? So that is why they have faced too many problems in the servicing sector. But coming to Astra is completely indigenous manufacturing company. It means that we are making our most of the part, more than 60% of parts are manufacturing in our own factory. So it means so coming to the battery side and charger and controller, these entire tech is we have clear cut knowledge on the entire tech. So it means that we can completely repair whatever the problem it is. Okay, within few minutes of time only, our sales team will come to know what is the real issue behind it. Okay, that is the first point. And the second one is, offering servicing support within reasonable time is the important thing. That is what the customer is always expecting from the company side, right? So for that question, basically we used to tie up with servicing based companies in India, that means who used to repair our bikes. We have that kind of tie-ups also. And if you face that initially, imagine if you get a call from any customer that they are facing a problem in our bike, and what is our procedure basically? Our people used to call them through video call only. Our people come to know whether it is a repairable issue or else unrepairable issue at their house. Okay, if it is a repairable issue, our team will guide them very clearly, and they'll guide them in the video call only, and it can be solved. If not, what our team do, we will send our logistics partners or else servicing agents to the particular house. We will ask them to pick the issued part, and within 3 to 5 working days of time only, we will send the part to the customer again. That means we will get the part to our godown or plant, and we will repair it here and we will send it back. Not like other companies who are completely dependent upon the China tech and China products, the foreign market products. So they used to say that we will replace the part. You know the difference, right? If you want to repair the product, the charge is almost minute. You need to spend 300 rupees or not more than 500 rupees. Okay, but if you want to replace the part, then you need to spend in thousands, right? So which is not feasible. So but coming to the Astra side, there is no doubt that we can offer ultimate after sales support because of we are a pure indigenous manufacturing company.
So you mean to say you are more service focused company and also a made in India product?
Yes.
So in that particular aspect, how many kilometers of testing you have done on your Astra electric cycle models?
See, there are two models that are available in the market commercially right now. One is Rifle, which is a city model, and other is Carry, which is a cargo model. Rifle, we have actually run not less than 5,000 kilometers before launching it in the market commercially. And as far as Carry is concerned, we have even gone for almost more than 10,000 kilometers before launching it in the market.
So do you think the 5,000 or 10,000 kilometers is enough for this electric cycle space?
It is extremely complying with the global standards also. Why? any electric cycle battery, we guarantee, any manufacturer guarantees for minimum of 1000 cycles. So when it is 1000 cycles, 1000 into 50, which is the range of an electric cycle, multiplied by the 1000, it gives you almost around 50,000. So 50,000 in that one, generally you will go for a test ride of around 1 to 2% only. So when it is 1 to 2% for an electric cycle, it is hardly around 1000 kilometers, right? If at all you take the 2%. So instead of 2%, we have even gone for almost 10 to 20% and have completed the test rides. So it is giving us around 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers based upon the model. So we are complying with almost 10% to 20%, that is minimum required as per the global standards.
Now coming to Astra electric cycles, you are offering two models. One with on the throttle mode you are offering up to 50 kilometers of range, and the other model up to 100 kilometers of range, 80 to 85 kilometers of range. There are some customers with expectations like 200 kilometers of range. Is it possible with Astra?
It is very much possible because the entire battery pack design is under our control. So what we actually do is we manufacture the container of the battery, and we even configure the engineering part of the lithium ion cell arrangement also. So we know how much capacity that can be stuffed into the battery pack, alright, which actually determines the final range of the electric cycle, right? If somebody wants 200 kilometers or 250 kilometers, accordingly the lithium nickel manganese cobalt battery pack design also can be done accordingly for us. Obviously the thing is that the size of the battery will increase. Instead of going for a 36 volts 21 Ah battery, we may have to go for 36 volts 40 Ah battery. So for a 40 Ah battery, if the customer is willing to pay that much, then we can definitely make changes to our design and engineering and can make the battery pack done.
So now coming to your company, I came to know that you are offering dealerships as well. So you are focusing on any particular reason or pan-India level?
We are focusing on pan-India level, right? So we have 3-tier structure of offering the dealerships. One, super stockist for each and every state, territory distributor for a large region within a state, and a dealership for cities and towns. When I say cities, it can be tier 1 and tier 2 cities, right? So this 3-tier structure is going to almost facilitate a trade of 90% of the products that are manufactured by us.
Mr. Karthik, you are new to this electric cycle market. So why someone need to believe in Astra and they need to invest money in your startup for the dealership?
Yes, actually, see, we are a startup. There are two types of startups you can find in the market. First thing is they used to get the product from some other company and they used to sell to the customers. But coming to the Astra, we spent almost 3 years to develop a product in India. So it means, what kind of technical knowledge we have on the product and what kind of market survey we have done before going to finalize the product USPs. Initially, when we started this company, the first activity we done, the entire team of Astra, we have taken market survey. That means we have taken some customer feedback very clearly. So then, as per the customer interest only, we have crafted our models. The Rifle T9 is for the city model, and what is the features of the Rifle T9 and cargo e-bike also. So here the thing is that, so from that day onwards, we felt that. The day we hear the problems, especially from the customers, we felt that we found some solutions, and we felt that these solutions must be our USPs. Okay, why? Because then only we can offer that kind of quality product which will be useful to their life perfectly.
What are the problems you found out and what are the solutions?
Yes, coming to the problems they found 2 to 3 years back or something, even Nova also. If you see the design first, the first point is design. See, for performance or quality, after running the bike only you will come to know. The first point is the design. Since 2 to 3 decades, almost 20 to 30 years of time, even in our childhoods also, we are getting the same design, the diamond frame design only, which is having the 4 bars. Okay, even just compared to the foreign market like UK, US and Europe, every 3 to 4 months of time, they used to come up with different attractive designs, the well crafted aesthetics also. But what happened to India, which is one of the biggest e-cycle market market in the world. So why people are not doing that? So we felt that, and not only that, and due to these reasons, the customers are completely failed to make the differentiation from electric cycles to normal bicycle. So we felt that first we need to change the design. So we need to change the design first, where the customers will feel, the design itself will attract the customer. Then we can explain, okay, this is the thing. So that is the first problem. And second thing is the poor servicing support, and that I have already explained. And second thing is warranty. We need to offer the best warranty, and which is possible when you are doing indigenous manufacturing only. That means you must have to have each and every technical knowledge, in your hand. Okay. Third thing, and improper ranges. No, that means in a single charge the bikes used to go only 10 to 15 kilometers only. But do you think that it is really helpful in the life? No. So what we felt that we in the market survey we came to know that a minimum 60 to 70 kilometers range per single charge is must. Then only it will be helpful in the every human being's life. And the fourth problem is, huge charging time. It means that people will say that 8 to 10 hours is the charging time. Or yet who will do that? That means while you are sleeping you need to charge it, and wake up you need to. Do you think that is it the solution? No. So what we feel that, okay, if people used to wake up at 6 a.m. and they used to go to the office at 9 a.m. So within this time period only, if we are able to fill up our battery fully, then it will be a solution as per the available tech in the market. So that is how we have crafted our batteries. So now we are saying that within 3 hours of time only our batteries are going to be full, right? So once you full the battery, once you full the charge in our battery, you don't need to think of that this vehicle is going to be shut down at particular point or something. No, because since our bikes ranges are very long, we are offering longest range bikes, right? So you don't need to worry as other normal bikes or normal electric cycles. So we can say that these all the points which will be helpful to the customer. So initially now we are empowering the customers about Astra e-bikes. So and we are getting the great response from the people as well. So definitely we will get a huge market very soon.
Now coming to the dealership point of view, how much you are charging from the dealer?
There are three kinds of slabs that we have defined depending upon the capacity of the dealer. So as I already explained, there are three categories as such, like dealer, territory distributor and super stockist. So the dealership plans also depends upon the capacity of this particular category. Now coming to dealer, the plans start from 3.8 lakhs, right? So 3.8 lakhs we offer minimum 6 e-bikes along with the package, and there is some spend on the marketing support also. Now when we come to the territory distributor, it starts at 12.5 lakhs. For 12.5 lakhs, they are going to get around 25 e-bikes, and there is some amount towards marketing support. And when you come to the super stockist, it starts at 28 lakhs plus marketing, 28 lakhs, wherein they are going to get minimum 50 e-bikes. And there can be a top super distributor also, which can even go up to 100 e-bikes also. 100 e-bikes will start at around 50 lakhs.
Okay. So for all these kind of dealers or the super stock list, what kind of additional assurance you are going to provide from Astra?
The assurance that we provide is, continuous marketing support. When I say marketing support, it is both offline as well as digital marketing support. Number 2, continuous training support to their staff. Number 3, complete after sales service and mercantile promotional support. Number 4, we regularly conduct some trainings at our headquarters also to their staff as well as the main dealer or the distributor about how they can actually promote the growth in their particular vicinity or the neighborhood or their region, how they can work on getting the visibility of the e-bikes.
Now coming to the dealers, there is some kind of a point of doubt. When can I get the return of investment? What kind of assurance you are offering for that?
The return of investment, it all depends upon the region that they are operating in, and as well as the amount of marketing promotions that they are actually doing, right? So when I say region, you cannot actually compare with a city, with a dealer who is operating in Hyderabad with a dealer who is actually operating in very remote area in Gujarat, right? And an area in Arunachal Pradesh. So it always varies from region to region, and as well as at the season of that particular sale. What happens is we always people to onboard as fast as possible so that they will be able to catch up with the peak seasons that are there, which are actually linked to the various Indian festivals. I give a small example here. Now, if you see electric cycle market in India, or you see any automobile market in India, what happens is the period between September month to almost end of November, you have various festivals coming like Vinayak Chavithi, Dasara, Diwali, and various small festivals also in this during this time. And these are all very long festivals. Like Dasara is actually celebrated for 10 days. Diwali is in fact celebrated for almost 3 days in India. So these are all long holiday times. And during this time, most of the automobile manufacturers and even most of the consumer goods manufacturers also, they offer steep discounts. So there will be a lot of sales that are happening during this peak period. Right. So we always ask the distributors or dealers, if at all they are making a decision of taking the dealership from us, please ensure that you get onboarded before August, so that you will have some gestation period to understand what are the dynamics of this particular market, what are the dynamics of this particular business, how you can actually increase your visibility, how you can learn the tricks of the trade or the tricks of the business in a very small time and then be ready for the peak season. See, the amount of sales that you are going to make in these 3 months is going to be almost 60 to 70% when compared to the remaining period. So these kind of things, when the trade is going to happen, when the sale is going to happen, what is the highest probability of the sale to happen, how we can attract the customers. So all these kind of things are trained by us with these people, to these people. 3 major reasons why people should opt for Astra dealership are: 1, faster return on investment. The return on investment that we clearly indicate to the dealers are worked out on a real time or very much closer to the reality basis, and we give them the return on investment promise after working out very minute details of the actual investment that is going to be put by the dealer. Number 1. Number 2, upfront dealership onboarding price is the most competitive and the cutthroat competitive price that we are offering when compared in the electric vehicle industry. Number 3 is the continuous training and the after sales support that we actually offer to the dealership is completely unparalleled, and nobody in Indian EV industry has offered this one. So these are the 3 very, very strong reasons why people should opt for getting the dealership from Austhraa.
So that's the complete details about Astra electric cycles. They are actually offering value for money electric cycles, even though the electric cycles are a little bit expensive. They are giving proper answers that. So for value proposition point of view, whatever the range they are offering, whatever the return of investment they are offering in terms of dealership. So considering all these factors, they are telling that this is the best value electric cycle they are offering in the market. So if you are interested to buy these Astra electric cycles, they are offering through their website, Amazon and Flipkart. And even for dealerships also, their contact number we will provide in the screen. You can check the screen for the complete contact details. Also, we will provide the details in the description below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to EV Bro.
Charge the nature, drive the future.